Hey, I'm gonna do another video. It's been a long time since I did one. I'm gonna wear my hat and my glasses because right now I don't feel good at all. I mean, I'm fucking feeling sick. I am tore up from the floor up, about to throw up. Alright, I'm fucked. I ain't hungover or anything. I just don't feel good, you know? Fucking having mucus issues. Anyways, beyond the gross stuff. So what I want to rant about today is motherfucking Facebook notifications. I believe, I seriously don't understand how they still don't have this set up by now. That when a motherfucker deletes you off of Facebook, you should be able to get a fucking notification telling you this bitch deleted you. Because obviously, if they don't even want you on their time feed, then obviously they don't want you in their life. And if they ain't want you in their life, then they gotta have a bad thought about you. They must not like you. So I think that Facebook should give you a notification saying so-and-so fucking deleted you. So when you see them in public, you're not like, oh, hey, how's it going? You should be like, fuck you, bitch. I see you fucking deleted me. Obviously, your ass got a problem with me, and you can go fuck yourself right off. And that's how I feel about it. You know how fucking annoying it is? You see a motherfucker out in public, like, oh, well, I know who you are. You're my friend on Facebook. Hey, how's it going? Being all cordial, giving him a nice little smile. Hey. And then you go home and you realize, well, this bitch fucking deleted me. I was just nice for no motherfucking reason. Why should I be nice to someone who ain't fucking like me? And they ain't like me, so they delete me off Facebook. Then you go fuck yourself. And the same goes for fucking people who delete you. I think if a person, or blocks you, I think if a motherfucker blocks you, you should get a notification saying so-and-so fucking blocked you. Because, it's one thing, they don't like you, they get a bad thought about you. They can fucking delete you. Well, okay, we'll still see you, my suggested friends. But if the motherfucker blocks you, that's different. That motherfucker don't want you in their life at all. I mean, that's a big fucking thing, you know what I'm saying? And I should know that somebody blocked me, So I don't have to fucking text people like, hey, look up so-and-so and see if you can find them, because I can't find them. Either they deactivated or the fucker blocked me. And if that fucker blocked me, then I'm going to have a fucking problem with that. You know what I'm saying? So, that's the number one thing. I mean, if I see a person in public and block me, hey, bitch, I see you blocked me. You got a fucking problem with me so motherfucking bad. Here I am in your motherfucking life. Not try and block me, bitch. Go hysterical, because that's what I do. I have a bad temper. But I think also number three rule on Facebook notification is that when a person unblocks you, you should get a notification right away. You know what I'm saying? Because if they blocked you, then you can't see them. But if they unblock you, then there is a 48-hour time limit where they cannot go back and block you. And depending on the situation and the circumstance and what's going on, you got into a fight, they blocked you, well, you made up, now you can be friends, add them back. But if you still ain't happy with that person, you still fucking pissed off, and there is still a motherfucking feud. I believe that when they unblock you, you should have the notification saying this person unblocked you, so you can go and re-block that motherfucker your own self. Be like, no, motherfucker, I ain't okay with you. You ain't gonna be fucking looking at my cat post. Fuck you. Block. Because if you guys are still feuding and you still mad, the only motherfucking reason why they would unblock you so they can creep on your fucking page. And if you don't like that motherfucker, then you don't want that motherfucker creeping on your fucking page. You know what I'm saying? These are my cute cats. You ain't allowed to see them, bitch. You can see the fucking bloody-ass knife when I stab you to death, but you ain't seen my cat pics. And that's what I believe, that you should have 3 new rules on Facebook. 1, when somebody deletes you, send me a motherfucking notification. 2, when a motherfucker blocks me, send me a motherfucking notification. 3, when a motherfucker unblocks me, send me a motherfucking notification so I can go block that bitch. Be like, nah, bitch. Bye, Felicia. Yep. That's how I feel. And I am so fucked out of it right now because I'm sick and delirious. But that's how I feel. And even if I wasn't sick and delirious, I still feel the same way. So, Facebook, fix this problem. Alright? I'm counting on you.